This just in, math!
Hello and welcome to the Algebra 2 News. I'm your host, Portia Johnson.
And I'm Ron Anchorman.
And now to Rick Storm with the weather.
The weather today is very algebraic. It's raining functions. You might not want to go outside today. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Rick. Hello and welcome. Today on the Algebra 2 News, we learn how to find and graph the inverse of a function. Rick, do you know how to find inverse functions?
No, I do not.
Well, it's easy, let me tell you. Let's take a look at number 19 on page 395. G of x equals x plus 4. Like solving any graphing problem, you first have to make sure that the equation is first in slope-intercept form. So to do that, you replace g of x with y. The equation turns into y equals x plus 4. From there, you switch x and y. So now the equation is x equals y plus 4. You then have to solve for y. So to do so, you move the positive 4 to the other side. X minus 4 equals y. You now have to replace y with g of negative 1. G of negative 1 x equals x minus 4. The equation should now be in y equals mx plus b form, slope-intercept form. Now you can graph. B represents the y-intercept, so the y-intercept is negative 4. Mark the first point at negative 4 on the y-axis. The slope, represented by m, is 1. Go up 1 and to the right 1. Go down 1 and to the left 1. Keep alternating till the line crosses both the x and the y-axis. Connect the dots with a straight line. You have just graphed the inverse. Now you have to graph the original equation. As we know, y equals x plus 4. 4 is the y-intercept. Place a point on the 4 on the y-axis, positive 4. The slope here is also 1, so the line will be the same as the last one, but 8 units higher. Connect the dots with a straight line. And you have just finished graphing the line. Label them so you know which one is which. This one is the original line. And now you're finished.
Now let's take a look at problem 26 on 395. G of x equals 2x plus 3 over 6. We start by replacing g of x with y. Now we switch x with y. And then next we solve for y. And by doing that, we multiply both sides by 6. So it becomes 6x equals 2y plus 3, because the two 6's cancel out there. Now we subtract 3 by both sides, and it becomes 6x minus 3 equals 2y. Now you divide both sides by 2. Now y should equal 6x minus 3 over 2. And to simplify that, y equals 3x minus 3 over 2. Now you replace y with g to negative 1 of x. Now we are ready to graph. In the equation we just solved, negative 3 over 2 is the y-intercept, so we put that on the y-axis, and the slope is 3. So we go up 3 into the right 1, and repeat, and down 3 into the left 1 until it crosses both the x and the y-axis. Now we connect both lines. I mean all the dots into one line. Now we label this so we know which equation it is. Now for the original equation, the slope is 1 over 3, meaning we go up 1 and to the right 3. Also the y-intercept is 1/2. And down 1 and to the left 3. And connect those with a ruler. and label that so we know that's the original equation. And we are done. That seems easy, but how is this relevant to anything in life?
It's not.
Really?
Nope. I mean, yes. I mean, it's used to find the angle elevation of a camera, among other things.
Fascinating. Well, that just about does it for us. I'm Rick Storm.
And I'm Portia Johnson.
Thanks for tuning in with us.
Here on Algebra 2 News.